Tipros is a sole proprietorship in the wholesale of and repair of electrical appliances in Singapore. On the 21st of July 2022, the PDPC received a complaint that Tipros had unreasonably disclosed the personal data of the complainant when responding to the complainant's review on the organization's Google Reviews page. With this, Tipros breached the purpose limitation obligation of the PDPA. Investigations revealed that the complainant had engaged the organization to repair a refrigerator. Following the repairs made, the complainant gave a 1-star review on a Google Reviews page. Tipros promptly responded to the complainant's review, but what is problematic was that they included the complainant's personal data, including her residential address and mobile number in their response. This prompted the complainant to file a complaint with the Commission, as she was of the view that there was no reason for the organization to disclose her personal data in the course of responding. Apart from the organization's response to the complainant's review, the Commission found 13 other responses on the organization's Google Reviews page which disclosed, in a similar fashion, the personal data of other customers who had given reviews. Since the disclosure of the complainant's personal data was unreasonable and disproportionate, Tipros breached the purpose limitation obligation of the PDPA. Fortunately, the PDPC only issued directions to Tipros for it to comply. So what are the takeaways? First, organizations in Singapore should caution in disclosing personal data when responding to public comments. Disclosure of personal data to public comments should only be done when it is reasonable or even necessary to disclose. Second, the use and disclosure of personal data should only be done upon their original purpose and nothing else. When the personal data already served its purpose, organizations in Singapore are obliged to discard them property and not to be used again.
Lastly, appointing a data protection officer is a mandatory role in every organization. The DPO plays a critical role in ensuring PDPA compliance and advising stakeholders on essential obligations, including the protection of personal data. It's important to note that DPOs can either be in-house or outsourced to professional PDPA service providers such as Privacy Ninja.
If you want to improve your organization's data protection and cybersecurity posture, then click subscribe and smash the bell icon. Let's do this together.